Sit back.
This flashlight works.
You gonna fall.
This flashlight works.
Put it back, Casey.
Mom, this flashlight works.
Okay, stop touching stuff, okay?
This flashlight works.
Stop touching it. Look, just sit right here. Wait till your doctor come back, okay?
Okay.
Lay down. Put your head right here.
Well, I literally see it.
No, because this way your feet go at. Your head go up here. Your head go right here. Yep.
But the doctor might let me, my feet right here. My feet right
Because she
here.
lets you do what you want. But I'm just telling you, the correct way to lay up here is your head right here, your feet down here. Okay? Now lay down. Alright?
I have it at the top.
Yep, your head go up the top.
And my feet go to the bottom.
Yes, your feet go down the bottom.
Hey, Mom, start like doing on your phone.
Don't drop my phone, Kay. Don't drop it. Cut the flashlight off.